Which of the following is a natural resource? Cotton. Which is a renewable resource? Wind. What kind of resource is petroleum? Non-renewable. Which of the following is an abiotic resource? Water. Biotic resources are obtained from living things. Which of these is an inexhaustible resource? Sunlight. Which is not a natural resource? Electricity. The removal of trees is called deforestation. Which of the following helps in water conservation? Drip irrigation. What is a metallic mineral? Iron. Which is a non-metallic mineral? Mica. Which is a non-renewable resource? Natural gas. What is the process of planting trees called? Afforestation. What is essential for sustainable development? Balanced use of resources. Which of these is a biotic resource? Cow. Fossil fuels are formed from living organisms. What type of energy is obtained from flowing water? Hydroelectricity. One example of a sustainable practice is recycling paper. Which of the following causes soil erosion? Overgrazing. A major cause of air pollution is burning fossil fuels. What is recycling? Making waste into new items. Which one is used to generate geothermal energy? Earth's heat. Which mineral is used in making jewelry? Gold. What is the main source of solar energy? Sun. Which is a fossil fuel? Petroleum. Which method helps in soil conservation? Terrace farming. An example of water pollution is dumping sewage in rivers. Use of windmills generates electricity. Which of the following leads to soil of biodiversity? Pollution. The best way to save non-renewable resources is reusing and reducing. Which of the following is used for making cement? Limestone. Which energy is environment friendly? Solar energy. The main component of soil is humus. Dams are used to generate hydroelectricity. Which one is a man-made resource? Bridge. Which of these practices is unsustainable? Cutting trees indiscriminately. Which resource is used to make electricity in thermal power plants? Coal. The most used metal in construction is iron. What helps in groundwater recharge? Rainwater harvesting. Which of the following affects climate change most? burning fossil fuels. A major cause of land degradation is soil erosion, which is not a mineral. Plastic. Which of these is used in electronics? Mica. Solar energy is cheap and non-polluting. What causes marine pollution? Throwing waste in oceans. Which helps to preserve biodiversity? Conservation parks. Which country is known for solar energy use? Germany. The most abundant gas in the atmosphere is nitrogen. Reforestation helps in improving rainfall and soil quality. What is the basic need for all living beings? Natural resources.